The history of mathematics in America before 1877 is more than just about numbers. It's a story of how a young nation laid its foundation, not only in soil and stone, but in symbols, theorems, and calculations. Mathematics helped shape America's infrastructure, guided ships to port, and sparked the rise of educational systems that would serve future generations. In this video, we'll explore how math made its mark on America's development in the earliest days. Let's start with engineering and infrastructure. As the country expanded westward, the need for roads, bridges, and canals grew. Surveyors and engineers relied on geometry and trigonometry to map terrain and construct these vital pathways. One major example is the Erie Canal, completed in 1825. Its construction involved not only brute labor but also precise mathematical planning to control elevation and water flow. Navigation was equally dependent on math. Before GPS, sailors used celestial navigation, relying on the stars and trigonometry to cross oceans. American mathematicians published almanacs and navigation tables to guide sailors safely. Nathaniel Bowditch's The New American Practical Navigator, first published in 1802, was revolutionary. It corrected earlier British navigation tables and was used for decades by U.S. naval and merchant ships. Education also saw the rise of math as a cornerstone subject. In 1801, West Point became the first American institution to require math as a core part of military training. This helped standardize mathematics education across the country. Textbooks like The American Arithmetic by Daniel Adams were widely used in schools, showing how math was becoming central to civic life. Beyond K through 12 education, colleges began developing more advanced mathematics programs. Harvard, Yale, and other early institutions appointed professors of mathematics, seeing its importance in producing engineers, scientists, and teachers. Mathematicians like Benjamin Peirce at Harvard made early contributions to both theoretical and applied math, influencing fields like astronomy and algebra. Math was also key to westward expansion. As the U.S. acquired more territories, surveyors used geometry to coordinate systems to divide and sell land. The Land Ordinance of 1785 introduced a grid system that used math to organize the American landscape into townships and sections. Mathematics was also central to military strategy and logistics. During the Civil War, both the Union and Confederacy depended on engineers who could calculate distances, design fortifications, and manage transportation routes. West Point graduates used their mathematical training to serve in both combat and support roles. Ballistics, mapping, and supply distribution all relied on solid mathematical foundations. Printing was another area where math had a role. During the 1800s, more textbooks and reference materials became available, making it easier for students and professionals to study. Publishers like Joseph Ray created math books that were widely used in schools. These texts helped build a more mathematically literate population and ensured that math knowledge could be passed on clearly and consistently. So, the next time you walk across a bridge, open a math, or solve a math problem in school, remember that this knowledge has deep roots in America's past. Before 1877, mathematics helped chart the course for a new nation, not just as a tool, but as a guiding force in building the world we live in today.